To control which features are switched on and off for which user type in Fusion, we use the Feature Manager. You have quick access to the Feature Manager through the Manage button on the left, and you can see you can go straight to it here, or you can reach it via the Manage link itself. And it's here under Configuration. The Feature Manager contains a list of all the tools and features available in Fusion. And these are all switched on and off for all the various user types. So we have the admin login, teachers, students, parents, and guest users. And quite simply, if you want it switched on, you tick for the relevant user types, go to the bottom of the page, and update settings. If it's not ticked for a particular user type, they won't see this module at all, and it won't be available to them in, for example, their menus and quick links. There's a further column that allows you to switch on and off by year group. So if I click in here, you'll see all the various year groups in the school. If there's a particular year group or year groups that you don't want to access this module, you can simply untick those and update. You'll also notice for some features that there's a pencil icon at the end of the row. This contains settings for this particular feature. So for this example, the workbook, you can control comments and you can control moderation of comments. So you can let everyone submit comments, only teachers, or no commenting at all on the files. And you can also control comment moderation here. That's just one example, and there are a great many of those. So it is worth going through these when you set up your platform to make sure that all the settings for all the features suit your particular needs. It's also worth paying particular attention to the parent column, because the ticks in here will control which tiles or buttons the parent portal has. So that's how to control all your tools and features on Fusion using the Feature Manager.